Welcome to Rostoris. This video will talk you through our free mobile app designed specifically for employees. On this app, you can view your shift schedule, request shift swaps, and tell your manager when you'll be unavailable. Furthermore, push notifications will help to notify you of published schedules, swap requests, and changes to your shifts. Thanks to Rostoris, you will always have your shift schedule, or roster as it's sometimes called, in your pocket. Simply click on My Roster and you can see a list of your upcoming shifts as well as what position you've been assigned to work. This list will update in real time and reflect any changes as they're made. Where a change affects your shift, you will receive a push notification. So with that in mind, make sure you always allow push notifications from the app. If you're scheduled on an upcoming shift and you realize you can't work it, then our app can help you to find someone to replace you. Simply click on the shift in question and you'll see a list of available colleagues. Pick the one you think is best suited to replace you and request a swap. Now, simply requesting a swap does not mean you've been removed from that shift. That's because a shift swap requires A, your colleague to confirm they're happy with the swap, and B, your manager needs to approve it. If the swap is declined by your colleague or manager, then you are still scheduled to work it and will be expected to do so until you find a suitable replacement. But you can always track the progress of your swap requests via the swap section of the app. In the unavailability section of the app, you can tell your manager when you are unavailable to work. Bear in mind, if a roster has already been published for the date in question, then you need to resolve this via shift swaps. But for future dates, when a roster has not yet been published, you signal your unavailability like so. You go to unavailability and hit the plus button. Type in the reason you're unavailable, the date and the time, and what type of leave it is. And done. So for this example, the future roster will not consider you for any shifts on Monday the 7th of November. So there you have the Rostoris app for employees. Download it now.